Polytechnic leadership, because today is a very important day for all of us as a nation and as a people from the Kisii County and the Kisii National Polytechnic. As you guys are aware, some time back when His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, visited the Kisii National Polytechnic, he made some commitment that the government will be able to do about 5,000 villages for the students. And here we are today looking at least around 800 for the first phase. I can assure you we will have more and more. So to the President and the government of the Republic of Kenya, ours is to say thank you. The contractor is on site. We want to ask the contractor to please give an opportunity to the people of Nyaribari Chache to get jobs during this period.
This occasion was meant for the inauguration of the start of the affordable houses for this college. I want to take this opportunity to thank Our Excellency the President, through our Member of Parliament, Jhanda, for fulfilling this pledge that was given in the year 2023.
We want to take this opportunity to thank the President, His Excellency, for allowing this project to be constructed at Kisii National Polytechnic. Kisii National Polytechnic has 16,600 students, of which we are only housing 400. Today, we are glad as Kisii National Polytechnic that through our area Member of Parliament, the President has granted us an opportunity to construct 800 capacity student village.